It's a dynamic, high-stakes world where your job isn't just to know the systems, it's to manage the reality of the entire operation.
This is exactly what we call the engineer's disconnect. Look, any engineer can tell you how a system is supposed to work, but when the pressure is on and the stakes are this high, the only question that matters is, can you make it work?
But the moment you become the one person responsible for the safety, for the owner's experience, for millions of dollars in assets, that's when you realize knowing stuff just isn't enough.
Nope. It's the beating heart of a massive operation, where technical problems, guest expectations, and operational chaos are all crashing together at once. You're not just managing engines and power loads in a vacuum, you're doing it under the crushing pressure of a charter schedule, all while making sure guest comfort is absolutely perfect.
And in the middle of all that chaos, the first thing that is completely non-negotiable is reliability.
The second non-negotiable, and this is the big one, is safety. First, you have to become the decision maker. And I'm not talking about following a checklist or in a manual. I'm talking about making those gut-wrenching judgment calls, often with incomplete information when the pressure is on.
Second, you become the risk manager. You see, the best engineers don't just fix problems when they break. They see them coming. They spot the subtle warning signs weeks or even months ahead of time, and they act before it becomes a crisis.